And we are in front of a new Panama edition called the Panama Hybrid, and based on the active version of the phone Transit Custom. And we shall be looking around to check the actual best price and price for this P10H model year 2025, with the base price of $71.99 and the final price of $8,934. And this is actually based on the standard Panama P10 Plus. And getting around, we shall be looking at some added features like this slide pocket door and some additional storage all around. We have the hook for the cold water exit, additional storage and cabinets here and down here, with the actual part that goes down. And entering inside, we are looking at a pretty comfy seating for 5. Yes, we have 5 sitting in front, and the table that can be adjusted on this part. Actually, this feels pretty airy with the pop-up roof going up, and we have this great LED light illumination. Going on this part, we have the heating element Webasto, a 600 watt inverter, some USB and 12 volt sockets, 120 watts. And also on this part we have the actual compressors rigid, pretty deep, looking great with the controller unit. And from this part we have the standard Dometic 2 burner stove. And if we look on the lower part, we have actually 2 pretty good and deep cabinets for actually all your items stored there, and also on that part. And we have fully windows with shades and mosquito net open from that side. And if we go from this side, we have an additional cabinet storage unit and another right up there, pretty good. And this is based on a Ford Transit chassis 225 hybrid version with the Panama Peak signs and the great big pop-up roof. This is one of the biggest pop-up roof and largest. And when I'm standing right up here, you have a lot of space for your head, giving this also open view situation all around. And yes, it's automatic. And now I'm going out to get a final look of this amazing Panama Peak.